Hi, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually get answers to almost anything. Okay, and if you get to watch this video to the end, I am also going to show you a way you can actually make money in Zambia. So the first thing you have to visit, of course, is simply visit the link in the description. You might want to bookmark it as well so that you can visit it at any time you want. So simply open up your browser and simply enter in. Yes, so simply enter in forum.keithorens.me. So what is this website? So as you might have noticed, the word is saying forum. So this is a forum, is a question and answer website. So on this website you'll be able to ask questions, okay, you'll be able to answer questions. And so the reason why I've decided to make this forum is because I spend most of my time replying to questions, and sometimes it gets boring because I keep on replying the same stuff over and over, and yeah, it gets boring and consumes most of my time, and lately I have not been able to reply to people on time. So this is why coming up with this platform is actually a good idea, because in case you ask me a question about, for example, how to create a PayPal account, we can simply write the answer here, and if someone wants the same help, we can simply search through the questions and find the answer than having to wait for me to come online and to reply to the message. So this platform is free and it's straightforward. So as you can see, it's really straightforward. We've got a menu, we've got the login, the profile, the register, the questions, categories, notifications, ask a question. If you're using so if you're using a phone, I think you should be able to do something like this. So there will be the name, and then the menu here, when you click on it, there will be links such as login, profile, register. Even when you scroll down, you're going to see the links such as register, login, and profile, and so on. So it should be easy and straightforward to find all the links you might need. So now let me explain how to use this platform. So as you can see, this is the home page, and on the home page we've got the search bar. So here on the search bar, you can simply search anything in case someone has asked about anything. So simply, for example, I need to ask about, let me say, benefits. And I click on search. Then it's going to bring up these questions that someone actually asked already about benefits, and there's an answer. Apart from the search bar, there's the ask a question. So when I click on ask a question, let me just click on it so that you can see a new page is going to load saying ask a question. So you simply have to enter in a question title. So what do you write in the question title? Well, you simply write like a short description of what your question is about. For example, if your question is about a PayPal account, for example, how to withdraw from PayPal, simply write withdraw from PayPal. Then now in the description here, this is where now you write in detail like, hi Keith, or hi admins, I need help with being able to withdraw from PayPal, for the purpose of this and this from this platform. What do I need to do? What do I need to provide? What are the requirements? Stuff like that. So this is where now you provide all the information that I need to know. But before that, make sure that you choose the category. So when you choose the category, it's going to be much easier for other people to find similar questions in a category. For example, if you're asking about PayPal, you can simply go to the PayPal category and you'll be able to see all the questions about PayPal, and then from there. Then when you scroll down, there's this tick box saying only visible to admin and moderator. So there are times whereby you would like to ask a question, but you do not want the question to be read by the internet. Let us say it's a personal or it's a confidential question. Simply tick this button. When you tick this button, only I myself will be able to see what the question is. Even when I respond, you'll get a notification in your email that I've responded, and only you'll be able to see the response. So this is good if then tags. Tags help. For example, if your question is about PayPal, simply write in PayPal. Writing about anything. Then write in your name and your email. Then you need to prove that you are human by clicking on the I am not a robot. Once you are done with that, simply click on submit button over here. Okay, but if you'd like to get responses, like if I've responded to your question, you might want to create an account. So there are different ways of creating an account. One, simply click on the register, or in the footer bar, register here, or in the menu, the register button. So when you click on register, okay, so to register, choose your username. So the username does not need to have space. Okay, for example, if your name is Keith Renz, write Keith Renz without any space, then write in your email. So let me just do that. Okay, so you're going to receive an email telling you that to set your password, visit the link. So simply click on the link which you're going to receive in your email. Then you have to set your password and you'll be able now to log in. So let me just do that. Okay, so the platform is going to generate a password for you, which is kind of hard. So if you're going to use this strong password, you need to save it somewhere where you can always remember it, or you can simply write your own password of which you can remember, but you have to make it strong, whereby you have to include like symbols, some numbers to make it more stronger. Okay, so as for me, I'm going to go on and use the same password. So I'm going to copy it, then I think I'm going to write it up in a notepad or something. Okay, so I'm going to paste it in this notepad. Login. So now I'm going to log in. Then I'm going to enter the username I used and the password. Okay, so I finally logged in, and as you can see, this is my profile once I just log in. And as you can see, I've got 10 reputation points. I have no questions asked. I have not answered anything. The reputations are here. Okay, and the notifications are here. You have earned 10 points just for creating an account. Okay, so now that you have an account, okay, let us say we'd like to ask a question. Simply click where it's written ask a question. So write the question title. Okay, so I'm going to type up some random stuff. I'm going to click on others. Again, simply going to write up some random stuff. Then I'm simply going to click on I am not a robot, and I'm going to click on submit question. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying minimum one value is requested in field tags. So as I said earlier on, tags are simply keywords which are related to what you are asking about. So as I said earlier on, if you're asking about PayPal, maybe write PayPal. If you're asking about Bitcoin, write Bitcoin. If you're asking about whatever you're asking about, simply write the name, then add the comma. Okay, so I've now added a tag. Let me also add another tag. Let us say screw. You can either add a comma or click on add screw. So in this case, I'm just add the comma, then to be entered. Okay, let me also add money. Then I'm going to click on add money, then it has entered. Then I'm going to click on I'm not a robot. Remember, the minimum is 1, so don't have to write a lot. Then I'm going to click on submit question. Okay, so here the question has been submitted and my points have increased. Okay, so when I go on to the home page, so as you can see, here is the question. It will automatically appear. Okay, then let us say if you'd like to answer your own question. Okay, so in this case, if you'd like to answer any of the questions or your own question, simply click on the question title. Okay, and simply click on where it says okay, add the comment. So to add the comment, you need to prove that you're not a robot. So simply write in your answer or whatever you're commenting about. Okay, and write I'm not a robot and submit comment. Okay, so it has been added. So let me go back to the home page. Okay, so as you can see right now, okay, this is the first question from writing, and we've added a comment, we have updated it, and there is no answer yet. So as admin I will need to answer. Okay, remember that you can answer by adding comments, okay, but I myself as an admin, I have to review and see if the answer is correct, and the question will be marked as solved. So right now you can go to your email and check for comments. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in to my website as an admin, and I'm going to write an answer and prove that I've answered. Okay, so remember that you are always going to receive notifications such as a new comment by Keith Z Coder. So as you can see, it's saying that a new comment posted by Keith Z Coder. So if someone answers on your questions, you're going to receive a notification. So what about if I'm the admin? Okay, so you're also going to receive another email as an admin when I write an answer. Okay, so for example here it's saying new answer posted by Keith Renz. So let me open it. So a new answer is posted by Keith Renz. Okay, and it's saying an answer is edited by Keith Renz, and it's saying I've answered as an admin. So you're going to receive notifications once I reply. Okay, so simply click on this link and it will redirect you to the question I've just answered. Okay, and so as you can see on the right bar, okay, there is one answer. Okay, so when I click on it, as you can see, I've answered as an admin 2 minutes ago, and I've got about 250 points because I've created questions and I've answered. So the more you create questions and the more you answer or comment, the more points you get. Maybe in the future, okay, I think I'll do something like for being active and helping out people. I think you'll be able to make money out of this, I think. Okay, so I'm going to click back here. So now let me summarize. I think by now you know how to use the platform. So far I've wrote up of about 4 questions. For example, why join Keith's forum? You can read them and you're going to find all the answers you're looking for. So I said that if you watch this video to the end, you're also going to learn about how you can actually get to make money with this platform. Okay, so how can you make money with this platform? Okay, so when it comes to making money online, okay, it does not mean that you always have to get paid by a platform. For example, there are people with Facebook pages. Okay, Facebook does not pay them, but they make money with their Facebook pages. Do you know how they get paid? Well, okay, well, it's not always that you always get paid directly. Sometimes you can make money indirectly. Let us say, for example, you've seen like these comedians on Facebook, like whenever they post their comedy stuff, they always put some links like join this bullet bet stuff, join this betting thing. Okay, so they're promoting things, and when they promote things, they're actually getting paid. Okay, they're actually making money. So that's another way of making money. But I don't mean that you should abuse this platform by posting links. No, so only use this platform. For example, if you're in an issue of selling shoes and someone asks you a question like, what is the best shoe to buy in Zambia, and you're in an issue of selling shoes, okay, simply write about, no, this is a shoe you have to buy in Zambia because in Zambia there's too much water. And if you sell shoes, simply writing about, okay, I also sell shoes, I'm found at this place, you can buy shoes from me at this cost. So you're actually advertising yourself while providing value. So if you're providing value and you're advertising yourself, that's okay with me. But if you're going to abuse the platform by simply providing answers for the sake of just making money or advertising things, okay, your comments are going to be deleted. Okay, and promoting get rich quick schemes, okay, you're also going to get deleted. Okay, so you need to provide value so that both of us can actually benefit from that. So this is it about this video. If you learned something, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.